Good morning, dear. In earlier lecture, we have discussed about different terminologies changed during different period. So, recall the topic. In this topic, we have discussed earlier how the different key term change into the different period, like a meaning of Hindustan is changed. Earlier time, meaning of Hindustan used to describe the geographical area located between Ganga and Yamuna rivers, and those areas come under the Delhi Sultanate. That area considered Hindustan, and during the Babur meaning has changed of a Hindustan, and Hindustan is a considered famous for different culture and different geographical areas. So meaning of that is changed into the different period. And another one example we have taken, that was foreigner. Nowadays we are using foreigner word those people who are not part of our nation we consider as a foreigner, but earlier time this key term was used for those people who are not part of that village or towns or outsiders. Like for outsider, they were used ajnabi, pardesi, unknown word, unknown person, pardesi, or like a foreigner word they were used. So we have discussed in earlier lecture about the different key term and meaning of that key term change into different period. Today's our topic, changes in society and political life. So what were the changes during that society 700 to till 18th century, and what major changes in society, major changes in political we'll discuss today. So dear, our today's topic is political and social changes during the medieval period. So dear, major changes during the 700 to 1750 we are going to discuss here, that were the social and political changes. So new innovation is started in history, and which were the new innovation, that is related to a Persian wheel, which is considered with irrigation system, and there was the dramatically change happened due to the that innovation. Irrigation easily possible for the peasants and farmers due to the innovation of Persian wheel. Today I will send the pictures also on slide. And another one changes, spinning wheel. Spinning wheel is a very simple tools, but that was innovative at a first time. That was major changes in through this wheel. Many people able to wearing the clothes, and another one changes that is related to in weapons. So in weapons to related changes during that time, a firearms also innovative. So these were the major changes given in your book earlier time. One was Persian wheel for irrigation, spinning wheel, and another one is the firearms inside the Kamal. That were the major changes. Apart from that, what were the major changes? Arrival of new food and beverages like drinkable crop, drinkable crop like a tea and coffees, and new food habits has started during that time, like a potato, corn, chilies, that started during that period. So these were the major changes in society and in political life. अब सीधा in society, what are major changes regarding Rajput, that key term used for whom society, we are going to discuss this key term. And dear, during that time, that was the period for great mobility. People has started the movement during that period, and during that period, why the people has started movement in search of opportunities, in search of their different opportunities, they have started the movement, and one group of people who become important in this period that were Rajput. Rajput meaning of that word, Rajput word came from the Rajputra. Rajputra means son of ruler, and later on it changed into the Rajput. Rajputra word son of ruler, and later on it changed into the Rajput. So this society was common when it started this movement, and later on meaning of this term is changed, and those who were the rulers, soldiers and commanders, they started use of this word. They also started the use of this word. Rajputra was common, and many people, those who were commander, rulers or maybe warriors, they use such word, that is Rajputra, or we can consider Rajput. About the Rajputra or Rajput, for their loyalty, they were famous for their bravery, and such stories recorded by poet in our history. And later on this key term also used for the different society we have discussed, and these were the major changes of inside the Marathas, Jat communities, Sikh communities, and in tribal homework play the important role during that. And in later on we'll discuss about that society. Chapter 9, Chapter 10 related to the Jat Sikh community, and we'll discuss in that your history book. And this was the period which consider a great mobility period, and common word that used, that was the Rajput. So dear, today we have completed our topic social and political change. What were the social changes? Innovation of person wheel, innovation of spinning wheel, innovation of firearms, and innovation of different drinkable crop like tea and coffee, innovation of potatoes. This happened during that period. And political change, in political great mobility period, and Rajput, a caste which consider son of ruler. Later on this key term also used for those who were commander, those who were the soldiers, like this word is used for their bravery. And later on, that was the great period in changes in Sikh community, Jat community, home community, in tribal life. So dear, today we have completed our topic and today's lecture.